Hello guys, happy new month. In my last video, I shared list of some BSC chain cat coins that you can buy. I mentioned Wikicat coin, White Tiger Moon, BNB Lion, BNB Tiger OG. So guys, in this video, you can check out Sanctuary token. I made a video about Sanctuary token last month or 2 months ago. So guys, you can check the description for the link of the video. Sanctuary token is a meme coin that fuels the SANC ecosystem, bridging blockchain fun with real-world programs, community empowerment, and future DeFi integration. So guys, this coin is down from 1 million US dollars market cap. Right now, the market cap of this coin is 471,000 US dollars. So guys, you can take advantage of the dip. If you have spare money, you can buy Sanctuary token. Liquidity is 47,000 US dollars. So guys, conduct your research before you buy this coin. So guys, you can check out Defi Tiger. Defi Tiger is a project under SMC DAO. Wikicat is the head of the ecosystem. So guys, in the month of August, when Wikicat was blasting off, DeFi Tiger was blasting off. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy DeFi Tiger. Conduct your research before you buy this coin. The price of this coin is 0.000000002759, and this coin is up 3.9%. From my observation, anytime Ocicat is taking off, DeFi Tiger is taking off. So guys, you can observe this. The current market cap is 979,715. The market cap dropped from, I think, around 4 million US dollars to this current market cap. So guys, if you have spare money, you can take advantage of DeFi Tiger. You can buy this coin on Pancake Swap. If you have Trust Wallet, you can swap BNB to buy this coin. If you have Penny Wallet or SafePower Wallet, you can swap BNB to buy this coin. So guys, I saw this message on X. Samapi, the developer of Wikicat and the head of the SMC DAO, he shared this post on X. Already stacked 1 trillion DTG today. They don't know anything. DTG is DeFi Tiger. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy DeFi Tiger. I believe in the next bull run, these coins will take off. So guys, you can check out Ocicat coin. Ocicat coin is another cat coin on the BSC chain. It is also a project under SMC DAO. Ocicat coin. So guys, you can watch my video on this coin, Ocicat. I will drop the link in my description. So guys, if you are new to Ocicat coin is a project under SMC DAO. Wikicat is the head of the ecosystem. So guys, the current price of this coin is 0.0000003641, and this coin is down 4.9%. According to some Christian, this coin is a prophetic coin. DeFi Tiger is a prophetic coin. SANC is a prophetic coin. So guys, conduct your research before you buy any of these tokens. Like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.